Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Nisha here. So if you'd like to see a quick and easy hairstyle that takes no time at all, let's say you're late for an event and you really just need to get out of the house and look presentable, then definitely keep on watching. So to start this off, I co-washed my hair earlier. It's been a few hours now and I just put it into these two plain flat twists just to kind of stretch it out while it dries. So yeah, I forgot to mention that I put in leave-in conditioner when my hair was still soaking wet. So that is literally all I have in my hair right now. And this is the base that we're going to be using to achieve this really simple, quick and easy hairstyle. So to get started with this hairstyle, you just want to detangle your hair even further and kind of get it into a more blown out state, just so it's easier to manage and work with. And at this point, I'm just trying to mold my hair upwards, and I'm going to be using my Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Gel. And trust me, you're going to want, or at least I used a generous amount. So I'm going to be taking a lot of that gel and just pasting it all over my hair, just to help to get my hair to stay in a nice, neat, high puff. So you'll just see me adding all of that gel to my hair, and then I'm going to be getting a ball bristle brush. I'm just going to be brushing all of that hair upwards into place and making sure that it's nice and sleek and smooth as I would like it to be. So at the end of this, I'm just going to be taking my elastic band and basically using that to keep my hair up into the high puff. Now, whatever you actually would use to do your high puff is perfectly fine. I just use an elastic band and that's what works for me. It helps me to get more control over how big my puff is, or where it's positioned on my head. So when I have gotten my puff situated and I tie it in place, I'm just going to tuck the loose ends away so that they are not seen, and then I would have my high puff already in place. And for me, I'm going to be taking the loose hair on top in my puff. I'm just going to be twisting that loosely and condensing it so that it's easier to conceal in the next step. Just going to take the end of that loose twist and stick it into the bun itself. If you have longer hair than myself, you could probably stop right here, but for me, I wanted a little more volume. Of course, if you're shorter hair than me, this next step is going to be absolutely perfect for you. So now I'm just going to be taking some old braiding hair that I used when I had twists a while back, and I'm just going to be creating a fake ponytail. And this next part is easier for you guys to just look and see what I'm doing than for me to actually explain in words. So I'm just going to be creating a fake ponytail and going to just attach that to my hair. And I probably use like 10 strands of the braiding hair itself. If you want, you could probably use more to get an even bigger bun. But now I'm just attaching that. And this look on my face right now is the look of a girl who is trying to figure out what the hell she's doing. But don't worry, we'll get it together soon. So at this point, I figured it would be better to separate my hair, the braiding hair, into looser sections or into smaller sections. And then I'm going to take each section and I'm going to be doing a loose 2-strand twist on each section. I figured that would help me to get more control over how I want to tuck and pin it to create that bigger bun. So I'm just going to be creating 4 loose twists using the braiding hair, and you guys will see that right now. So now that I have my 4 loose twists, I'm just situated the braiding hair to the back, and from the back I'm going to pull the braiding hair around to the front and then tuck and pin wherever it feels comfortable. I'm just going to be using a regular bobby pin just to secure the hair into place. So I'm pulling each twist from the back wherever it's situated around to the front, and then just kind of pinning it where it feels like more comfortable for me. And you want to make sure, of course, that all of your hair is covered completely with doing this. Now for me, the process was really seamless because my hair and the braiding hair was actually really seamless in terms of how they look and how they blend together. So that process was really easy for me. And just showing you guys what the back looks like right now. And then final step for me is to cover my hair with a satin scarf just to lay my hair down. Alright guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. I left my hair setting while I put my makeup on. And this is the final look. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. So of course, if you have short natural hair, this would be a really quick, easy look to accomplish. If you have medium length natural hair like myself, you could just add some more volume to your ponytail as it is. Also, let me know what you think about this mega high bun. I am absolutely in love with it. I think it's really cute, really simple, really effortless, and it just dresses up whatever you have going on so much more. Like, you just walk into a room and it's like, ta-da! So yeah, let me know what you think about the hairstyle down in the comment section below. And if this is the first time you're seeing my face, welcome to my channel. And if you'd like to see more of it, then definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. If you like this video and you'd like to see more types of content like this, definitely give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it helps out my channel a lot. So yeah, without further ado, I thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the very next video. Take care. Bye.